Here is the interior of the 2015 Winnebago Brave. Beautiful interior with yellow accent. No cracks, chips, scratches, foggy on the windows. Nice optional table as well as a map light for the passenger seat. Once again, no rips, tears, stains, damage to any of the seating. All in excellent shape with that beautiful yellow accent. Secure storage above, as well as additional inserts on both sides of the window. Electrical outlets, as well as the button for the televator. Once again, storage, very secure, excellent structure, framework, lots of space in the cabinetry. Into the kitchen area, nice butcher block top, as well as a toaster oven and plenty of drawer space, and as well as cabinetry. A double sink. Once again, beautiful cabinetry, secure storage. Microwave oven. And the range and stove top insert is available and will be provided with the RV. Very minimal, perhaps simple as one-time use on that, so can certainly be inserted back in if so choose to do so. Air conditioning unit within this is living space. The door has the screen door as well as the main door. Once again, excellent cabinetry there. Nice closet right as you walk in. And once again, lots of additional space for storage above cabinets as well as below, including a drawer below the refrigerator, freezer. Very spacious shower, large space, full shower. No cracks, tears, anything, everything solid and secure. As well as a lock. Over to the bathroom. Opportunity to place towels on the door. Lots of cabinetry as well. Single sink, commode. Lots of lighting in all living areas, as well as the ventilation fan. Additional hooks outside of the restroom. Into the bedroom area. Once again, lots of space for storage, for his and hers items, bedside storage, very deep, as well as additional cubbies and storage the other side as well. Plenty of drawers and cabinetry as well, very solid, secure, as well as a TV and VCR in the bedroom. Extra screens, as well as the table that can be set up in the front of the coach, utilizing the driver and passenger seats. Additional shelving. And then we do have 2 doors here, so you are able to close off the living space there from the bedroom. Very secure, as well as a second door here to secure off the bathroom and bedroom space from the living area. So I can show that one as well. So that way you can have access to the bedroom and bathroom separate from the living space if you choose.